Oil-rubbed bronze finish, made from durable zinc alloy. Fixture width 3 inches, 7.62 centimeters. Fixture projection 2.83 inches, 7.19 centimeters. 11 lbs, 5 kgs, max weight capacity. Includes mounting screws, mounting brackets and drywall anchors. Installation requires 1/8 inch, 3.17 mm, slotted screwdriver, not included. Backed by an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Stylish, sturdy and affordable. Worth every penny. I needed a cheap solution to replacing an ineffective towel hook on the back of our bathroom door. We rent and our lease is very particular about holes being made anywhere. Added annoyance was that it needed a replacement that could use a simple bracket that can take only one screw. It was surprisingly hard to find a bracket that didn't sew 2 to 3 screws and was relieved when I found this one. This bracket can take 1 or 2 screws if you like, but we have found we don't need the second screw to hold up our 2 towels. Very easy to install, instructions were clear to follow. Now, if only my landlord hadn't stripped the screws out on the old hook bracket, which lead to an hour-long struggle with a vice grip to get the space prepped for this lovely new hook.